The sense of returning life is to record the wonderful things. It is my mobile photographer. It's with the intelligent induction adjusting camera, the optical flow positioning, flying around the interest point, one-click take-off, landing, and other functions. It automatically recognizes gesture instructions. Anytime it responds with operation, capture instant splendid moment. You just enjoy the silent tacit understanding. It will record the wonderful moments belong to you. Excellent GPS localization system allows you to control the flight status of UAVs in real time. Flying over mountains, across the sea, flying freely. You can even plot fixed flying tracks. Let it fly along your road. If there is low power prompt, single interruption, it will return automatically, fly without worries. Bright and splendid moment. The MV making makes your image stand out. Share more of little beautiful moment in life.